To edit the theme sheet in FC26, first of all, we'll need to click on a gear icon located on the top left corner of our screen. Next step is to click on Edit Themes right there, then go for the theme sheets. Right here, pick whichever theme you want to edit the sheet for and select it. Then you can create your new theme right here, enter the name for the tactic, and after that you will see a players and players that are in substitutes. So now select a player that you want to exchange. For example, we're gonna pick this guy and then move him with this guy. You can do the same thing on the floor right here and just exchange them however you like. You can then edit the tactics and assignments as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.